What is up, boys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Anirudh. And if you don't know me, you are probably new to this channel, so make sure you click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon, as it will help me grow on this platform. As I am new to this game, I need your support, and by subscribing to my channel and liking my videos, you will help me grow. Let's talk about what we are going to do today. Today I am going to install a short throw shifter on my car. Before that, I want to show you something. One of my favorite place to record, the calming place. So I frequently come here to record all my videos. Doing anything, I'll show you my current throw on this OEM shifter. So let's go for a drive. Doing anything, I need to start the music first. Click the like button if you are just like me. So let's get started.
X15 beats. Chucky beat.
And now the fourth. It's so big, it's not even fitting the frame. So I hope you are getting the idea. We'll do a little pull. We are back home. You can probably tell I changed into something more comfortable. Damn, she's looking fine. Let's get inside. I wanted to be more scientific about this, so I went ahead and borrowed my sister's ruler. Now we'll measure the throw from first to second gear, and then again compare it with when I install the short throw shifter. So the ruler measures around 4 centimeter, means it was 15 to 4, meaning it was 11 centimeters from neutral to first, and for second it says 27. So we can round off and say it is 11 centimeters both the way, means from first to second it's 22 to be total, 22 centimeters. So yeah, that's a pretty long throw. And let's talk about what all do we need to get this thing done. I went inside and got everything I needed. This is a plier, this is a small hammer, the short throw shifter itself, and some basic tools, wrenches, socket and wrenches. So let's first unbox this and let's see. Okay, so the quality seems very decent. It feels very sturdy and definitely all better than this right here. So let's begin by taking off the center console, and it's held on by a few screws here and there, and I have to remove my center console which I installed, the armrest. So before anything I need to take this off, and I wish and I hope this can be put on here because I really like this one. I don't want to buy a new one, and again matches with my car, so I really hope this fits the new gear stick. To take this off, I just need to just turn it anti-clockwise, and there you go, it's off now. And meanwhile it's off, I'll also clean it. So I tried and it doesn't fit. Well, wow. Anyways, I'll complete it and let's see what we can do for the knob. So after removing these two screws, one here and one on the other side, now I have to go to back and take off other two screws, then this complete section will come right off. After taking off this one screw, I realized there is no screw on this side. Now one less screw to take off. Let's take everything off. It's hard to work with the camera. I realized to take the front part off these. There are two more screws to take it off. That's why you should work on your own cars, because you learn new things. So yeah, if you have accidents, then there you go. I can take these four nuts out. These are 10 mil. I've taken the four bolts off and I've taken the bottom part out from the gear stick. It's now free, sort of. So I realized taking this pin off and taking the complete assembly off inside will make my job a lot easier. Okay, so we are inside, and now I realized I have to take this locker pin off so that the complete rod can come off and this part will open up. And this kit also comes with a new locker pin, so to just take this off and put a new one. So I finally took this out. This took a lot of effort. So I took this off. Now it should open right away. I think I need to take this pin out too. So to take this pin out, with the help of a hammer, I pushed it in, so it came a little bit out. So this is the pin that came in the kit itself. Now with the help of a plier, I'll take this old pin off. Finally, I can take this complete assembly off. So you need to remember in which series you pulled everything off. So the best way to remember is place it the way they came off. So here's a little comparison of the old and new. In the old it was, I guess this is polyurethane, and in the short shifter one it is of complete metal. That's a nice thing. And I might switch these, and then it will be a straight swap, so I don't have to wiggle in when I go inside the car. Before I go ahead and put everything back together, I need to take the old grease off and again lubricate the new short throw shifter and every moving part in this assembly. So as I thought earlier, the bushings that came with the kit were not actually fitting the groove it was meant to fit. In order to take that out, I had to heat it up and take it out from the OEM shifter. Now to put it back on, I had to heat it again. So I'll just complete it by putting the pin and the clip on. So finally I have put the pin back on. It was as tough as taking it out. It didn't just want to go back on. So I realized I could use one of these to just push it and then hammer it. So you can use a 10 mm socket and put it and just do the same what I did with these. And luckily I also found these extensions, so I can finally put my gear knob. Now finally we can go inside the car and put everything back together inside the car. And now I can just complete this because I'm really tired now. So let's quickly wrap everything up. Lock the pin back in place. So as you can see, the shifter rod is being stopped by the sound insulation at the bottom. So I guess I need to take off the housing again and cut that tiny part of that sound insulation. I took the complete housing off. Now I'll cut this part of the sound insulation so that it can move freely on top of this chunk, and I hope it is enough. Damn, everything is back on finally. But before we go for a drive or compare, I need to clean this car. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, and then we'll go for a drive and measure the difference between this one and the OEM one. But for now, I am stoked about this. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the video. As you know, we installed the throw shifter last night, but we couldn't go out for a drive. Now here I am. Now we can finally go for a drive, and then I'll show you the throw on this one, and later when we go back home we can compare it with the old throw with the help of that ruler. So let's go for a drive, but before that let's roll some cinematics. So if you remember, the gear knob is not fitting the new shift rod very well, so I might have to buy a new one. Height is definitely shorter, and the throw have become really short and very crisp. So we are back home now. Let's test the throw on this one. Keeping the neutral at 15 centimeters, the first gear is showing 8 centimeters. That is 7 centimeters for the first gear from neutral. The difference in the neutral to first is 4 centimeters. The first gear is 4 centimeters shorter, and now for neutral to second. So wow, it says 20. So that is like 6 centimeters shorter than the OEM one. So it have literally become half. So wow, the total throw from first to second have become 13 centimeters, just 13. Previously, just from the neutral to first it was 11. It was total 22, now it have become 13. So literally the half. It have become really crisp and really short. So it totally feels like a different car, because I have done this steering mode, and after this I feel I am in a different car now. So really impressed with this. Just for $1,000 and just for like $20 and 4 hours worth of my hard work, it is totally worth every second and every penny I've spent on this. Really stoked about this. Thank you guys making it till the end of this video. You guys are the real ones. So now don't forget to like this video, and if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe and stay savage.